Shiny, strong, and healthy hair, it's something we all dream of. But did you know, it's not expensive products, but the right hair care routine that makes the real difference? Hey everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, your go-to place for all things beauty, skincare, and hair care. In today's video, we're diving into the world of hair masks, hair oil and hair toner, why you need them, how to use them, and which one might be perfect for your hair type. So let's get started on this journey to happy, healthy hair.